Welcome kids, come join the way. Story time 703 is here today.
Hello little friends, come along today. Funny shapes are here. Let's laugh and play. अरे देखो, shapes ने पार्टी शुरू की है. चलो मिलते हैं उनसे. I'm Mr. Circle, round and fat, rolling like a ball. Imagine that! No corners, no sides, just smooth and free. Come roll along and laugh with me. I'm Miss Square, neat and bright, four same sides. Oh, what a sight! I'm like a box, a gift, or a door. Come count my corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm triangle, pointy top, like a pizza slice. Don't let me drop. 3 little sides, I stand so tall. Lean on me, I'll never fall. I'm rectangle, long and wide. Doors and books, see inside. 2 short sides, 2 long the same. Learning shapes is such a game. Twinkly star, I shine so bright. Count my points in the sky at night. And here's heart, full of love, smiling down from clouds above. Circle, square, triangle 2, rectangle, star, heart for you. Funny shapes are everywhere. Look around, you'll find them there. वाह, shapes भी डांस और मस्ती करते हैं. तुम्हारा favorite shape कौन सा है? Bye bye shapes. See you soon. Let's sing again under the moon.